Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I have not filmed in forever. I apologize. I'm now currently on break from school, but it was just so busy for semester. But I do plan to be filming more as you know this new semester starts. I wanted to film a little more than I did on this break, but oh well. I am wearing this sweater. It's the soft and sexy sweater from American Eagle. Really like it. So today I'm a little warm in it. And I love my makeup today. I'm wearing a Sephora Collection, they call it like a lip stain, but it's their liquid lipstick. I will list the color below. I'm wearing a Smashbox Cover Shot eyeshadow palette. And I really like this Flower Beauty foundation. It's like the light infusion, something like that. And the Wet n Wild concealer I have on. So anyway, this video I'm really excited to do. I've seen people do this a couple times and I thought it was a great idea. I've wanted to do it for a while. So sorry if you can see the reflection of my ring light in my glasses. It is what it is. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to be going through my first few Sephora purchases and let you know if I still have those products, if I still like them. I might not have. I'm currently home and I don't have most of my makeup with me, or I have some of it but not all of it. So most of my favorites I have at school. But I know that the first purchase I ever made at Sephora was this guy here, the Urban Decay Summer of Love. Wow, I don't know what summer it came out. It must have come out, gosh, let's see here. So it must have come out 2010. That's crazy, oh my goodness. And this is not in my Sephora list because I didn't have an account. I didn't make an account for this first purchase. But here it is. I've kept it just for nostalgia, really. It has Flash, Maui Wowie, Chopper, and Small. Oh, as I drop it. Ooh, they're all good. I honestly don't love this color palette. You need to bring in something else to work with this. But I just keep it for nostalgia because it was my first high-end purchase and just purchase in general from Sephora, my first little palette. Next, what I got on January 6, 2011, I got the Urban Decay Naked palette, and at that time it was only $44. It is now like $54 or something like that, and as well, they don't even sell this one anymore. Honestly, it's one of my all-time favorite palettes. I don't use it as much anymore because I just, I found other things, newer things to play around with, but I love that palette. I know I'm kind of maybe in the minority there, but yeah, and I got it when it came with the double-ended eyeliner, which I also still have. Sorry, my shirt's bothering me. So yeah, that's just such like a nostalgic palette for me. And then I also got this Sephora Collection glitter eyeliner. You guys can see that. It was $12. It was an opal. I don't have that anymore. I don't know where it went. It probably dried out. And then I got some samples and used a promo code. And then my next purchase was 9 months later. That took me a while there. Or 11 months later, excuse me. In November 2nd, 2011. Wow. Back then I did not buy as much makeup. It was a lot more thoughtful. Also didn't have as much money. But I got the Urban Decay 15-year anniversary eyeshadow collection palette for $55. I do still have that palette. I really like it. Oh my goodness, and wow. I also got the Hello Kitty Graffiti 5-piece brush set from Sephora. That was only $25. It's really not bad at all. I still have that little Hello Kitty because it's storage now. The brushes weren't anything special. And then I got some samples. I used a discount. Oh, this must have been for their, I was only a Beauty Insider at that point. So yeah, I got $16 of a discount there, which was really great. And a little bit of a gift card. That's so sweet. And this was back when they had 3 free samples, not the 2 that they have now. This was also when you could be sure that you would get the samples you selected. Really annoyed by that in the past year or so. I never get the samples I selected, which what's the point of that? Anyway, my next purchase was January 1st, 2012. Let's see, so just a couple months later, I got this Sephora Favorites Lash Dash for $32. It was my start of collecting mascaras. I have so many mascaras. Oh, I also got the Beauty Blender, the original Beauty Blender, which I used today, which was only $19.95, not $20. That's very interesting. And then got some samples, and I got my birthday gift, which was a philosophy, like, happy birthday scent. So that's so cool. And I also redeemed a gift card that I had. So, and I also used a $6.40 discount. Wow, did they have more discounts than they do now? That's interesting. Huh, that's really, really interesting. But yeah, I used up a gift card, so I did not, I did not spend anything there. Also, shipping was free, but this was, oh, I guess it was just over $50. I see. And then here starts going like pretty often, January 7th, 2012. And so this was before I graduated high school. So this was like sophomore or junior year of high school. So let's see, January 7th, 2012, I got the Too Faced Sweet Dreams Makeup Collection. I believe that I have a couple of the little compacts, and it had a makeup bag that I love. That makeup bag, that was my like go-to makeup bag for a long time. And then all the rest were just samples and promos. So yeah, and again, I used my gift card there. Rest of my gift card. Again, wow, on January 7th, 2012, the same day, that's interesting, I got the Tarte for True Blood limited edition palette for $36.50. Wow, Tarte was doing some cool things back then. I still do have that palette. I really honestly don't think I've ever used it. It came with a couple mascara and eyeliner, things like that too, but I honestly don't think I've ever used it. I just loved True Blood at the time, and I still do. It was a really cool looking palette. Wow, and I paid for shipping there because that's the only thing I purchased, so I never do that now. Okay, I guess we can go through the rest of 2012. So April 29th, 2012, I placed my next order. I got the Benefit Cosmetics Professional, and wow, this is when they didn't, when it probably just first came out. And now I have like a million of those little samples, and I don't use that. I don't really have a problem with pores, but my mom loves that primer, so I always give her my samples. So it was $29. I also got the Bobbi Brown Extra Eye Repair Cream, which I do really like that eye cream. I think I prefer the actually just hydrating one. That was $65. That was a huge purchase for me back then. I also got the Too Faced Naked Eye Soft and Sexy eyeshadow collection for $36. I still do have that. I don't use it that much, and they've since revamped it, or actually gotten rid of that one. And then I got the Versace Bright Crystal for $50. That is still one of my favorites, all-time favorite scents. Probably the one all-time favorite scent. And then I used some of my points I had there. That was a big order of $191.25. Wow. My next one was July 28th, 2012. Let's see here. I also returned something here. So I got the Hello Kitty Charmy Kohl eyeliner kit. I don't have any of those anymore. It's $29. Got the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Shadow Pencil Stash. Wow, for only $12. That is a steal. Love those. They were mini. I got a Sephora Collection Liquid Dispenser. That's like a little pump that you push for $11. I don't actually like those anymore. And that was that. And then August 23rd, I got the, let's see, Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics Nylon Lip Tar. It's OCC. They don't even have it for anymore, I don't believe. Got the Benefit Cosmetics How to Look the Best at Everything kit for $30. I got the Hello Kitty Hello Pretty makeup bag for $19. I don't even know what that looks like. They don't have a picture, unfortunately. And then I took a little break until November 12th. I've got the Sephora Favorites Lash Stash. This looks like a really big one for only $45. Such a good deal. Wow. I got the Sephora VIB Tote for free. I got the Sephora Favorites In the Glow set for $45. I love the Sephora Favorite sets, even now. And this is when they had they had a sale, the VIB sale. And then I got the Yves Saint Laurent Rouge Volupté Silky Sensual Radiant Lipstick. in this like peach shade. I actually still have that, but it is on the chopping block. That was $34. And then December 2nd, a couple more here. December 2nd, I got the Lorac 3D Liquid Luster in Diamond for $16. That was kind of the early phase of like glitter, liquid glitters. I did just throw that out because they would always dry out on me and I have to like put eye drops to refresh it. And it travels and transfers, especially my hooded lids. I also got the Jack Black It's the Bomb Lip Quad for $25. I used to love those. I don't care for them too much anymore, but I do have quite a few. And then I got the Tarte Eye Essentials Amazonian Clay Discovery Kit. I do love that mascara. And then it came with like a cream shadow and a brush for $33. And I used a gift card there as well. And then a couple more purchases for the year. December 20th, I got the Philosophy Home for the Holiday set for $38. That's really expensive. Oh, I guess it came with 4 like mini, they're 3-in-1, like cleanse, bath, body, shower, shampoo rather, that. And then also matching lip glosses. So that was actually okay. It's just funny what I purchased back then and what I'm interested in now and what I was interested then. I was also clearly building my collection, and now I'm decluttering my collection, so it's come full circle. I also got the Jack Black It's the Bomb Lip Quad for $25. I might have been getting that as a gift because I thought I just purchased that, or maybe it was a different one, I'm not sure. And I got the Soap & Glory Hand Food Hand Cream for $10. And the Soap & Glory Hand Food Hand Cream for $5. Yeah, I think that's how I was purchasing gifts. I got this Tarte Deluxe Sample Trio, and then all just samples. And then I got my Happy Birthday 2012 Fresh Sugar Kisses Mini Lip Duo there. So that was great. And then my last purchase of 2012, let's see, was on December 31st. Got the Benefit Cosmetics Eye Bright. I used to love that stuff. I used to actually pat it on under my concealer as kind of brightening because at this time really the brightening concealers weren't in too much. I used to love that. I also used to use it on my inner corner for years and years, and then I would top it with like a pinky, like a white pinky shade just to brighten my eyes. Even if I didn't wear eyeshadow, that's what I would do, and I love that. I actually still do that and I still use that product, but not every day. I also got the Sex Appeal NARS blush for $28. That was well known. It was known to be good for fair skin by Temptalia's recommendation. I also got the Too Faced Natural Eye Neutral eyeshadow palette that they have since either gotten rid of or revamped for $36. I still have that. I don't use it too much anymore, if at all. I also got the Urban Decay Chill Cooling and Hydrating Makeup Setting Spray. It's not really cooling, I don't think. For $29, I do like that. But now there's so many other great sprays. And then I got the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Deluxe Sample in Opal. I love that stuff, though I didn't discover it then. It's when it came in the Spotlights trio that I really fell in love with it. And I had a $100 gift card, so my total was only $20 then. So yeah, I just think these are super fun. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was fun for you. It was great for me to look back at what my first purchases were for those first 2 years of getting into high-end makeup. I think that's so great. So anyway, yeah, that is it for today. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of these. I'd be happy to. I just think they're so fun. So anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.